Do sponsor income thresholds impact public charge rule compliance? Imagine trying to start a new chapter in a country that feels like home but facing hurdles that seem to block your way. One of those hurdles is understanding how a sponsor's income affects your chances of staying legally. Today, we're looking at whether sponsor income thresholds influence compliance with the public charge rule. The public charge rule looks at whether an immigrant might depend on government benefits in the future. A key part of this is the sponsor's financial ability to support the immigrant. If the sponsor's income is high enough, it shows they can help the immigrant avoid needing public assistance. This makes it easier for the immigration officer to approve the application. Sponsors need to show they earn at least 125% of the federal poverty guidelines for their household size. For example, in 2025, a sponsor supporting a household of two must earn about $26,400 a year. If they don't meet this, they can use assets or find a joint sponsor. Assets must be worth 3 to 5 times the income shortfall, depending on the situation. The income threshold is very important because it's one of the main things immigration officers check. They review tax returns, employment letters, and bank statements to see if the sponsor can support the immigrant. If the sponsor's income meets or exceeds the threshold, it can help the application get approved. For Black immigrants and others, meeting these income levels can be tough because of economic inequalities. Sometimes, finding a sponsor who earns enough is hard, which can slow down or block the process. This can make it more difficult to get lawful permanent residency or other benefits. To improve chances, immigrants should gather detailed proof of the sponsor's income and assets. If needed, they can consider a joint sponsor. Talking to an immigration attorney can help prepare strong financial evidence. Showing stable employment, community ties, and education can also support the case. In the end, sponsor income thresholds are a big part of the public charge rule. They help decide if an immigrant is likely to be self-sufficient or relying on public benefits. For Black immigrants, understanding and meeting these requirements can be a key step in their immigration journey. Having a good support network and legal guidance makes navigating these rules much easier.